Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michaela and thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're not new here, then thank you for coming back. As you guys can see in today's video, I am going to be undecorating and taking down all my Christmas decor. This was like a day or two after Christmas, which usually I wait until after New Year's to take down my Christmas decor, but this year feels just so much more different. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate, and I just wanted my Christmas decor down. I wanted to start fresh. I wanted to just clean my home, and so that is what we are doing today. Also, if you haven't already, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. I would much appreciate that. And leave a comment down below. Let me know that you stopped by and say hi. I would love to chat with some of you guys. So, alrighty, let's get to undecorating and cleaning.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, feel my stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Not used to do this, it ain't my style. It ain't my style. You see right through me, I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go.
Okay, I feel like I have to forewarn you guys, you're ready to see so many pine needles from this tree. For some reason, I don't know if we just got a lower quality tree this year or what, but we had so many pine needles. It was insane. I'm probably going to be vacuuming up and sweeping pine needles probably for like the next few weeks to a month. That's usually how it is with the live tree, but honestly, I don't regret it. I love having live trees. You guys will have to let me know in the comment section if you prefer a live tree or a fake tree. Dag and I are both born and raised in Oregon, so we've always had live trees, and we just can't do the fake tree thing. That's just not our style.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. Oh, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I
also just wanted to come on here and just say thank you to all of my 200 plus subscribers that have subscribed to me. I know 200 is like nothing compared to most people out there, but I just find that so cool that somehow like 200 people subscribe to me and that 200 people find me like somehow interesting. I don't know what it is, but y'all did. And so I just want to say thank you. And I love being able to build my little community and just being able to film bits and pieces of my life and my husband's life. I love just being able to be creative and film these videos for you guys. It's such a fun hobby of mine, and just being able to share with you guys my interests and what I enjoy doing and taking you along with my life. And I'm just so grateful. So I just want to say thank you. And I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna keep filming my life and see where this goes, and I hope you guys stay along for this journey.
You say that I'm crazy, it's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the hours. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the hours. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the hours. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the hours. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. 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 Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why. I'm always feeling homesick. Oh. All I know more than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick.
Alrighty guys, so that is the end of this undecorate and clean with me. Honestly, my house feels so empty now with all the decor out, but it honestly just feels so good to not have it as cluttered. So I just feel like I can breathe a little bit easier because there's not so much like stuff in my house that was just like, I don't know, it just felt very cluttered with all the Christmas decor. I feel like that every year, so it's really nice to just take everything down and just have free open space and just have it all nice and neat and minimal and clean. I've really been like into the minimal things, not having a lot of junk around my house, but that's beside the point. Anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Once again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below. Let me know you stopped by. I would love to meet some of you guys, and I will see y'all in the next one.